Wait, the CPU does everything? How can a tiny chip control my whole PC?
Because inside that chip are millions of transistors working together. The CPU runs binary instructions, just zeros and ones.
And where do those instructions come from?
From RAM, the control unit fetches them and sends them through the processor.
But how does it know what to do with each instruction?
Every instruction goes through a cycle. Fetch, gets the instruction from memory. Decode, figures out what it means. Execute, performs the operation. Write back, stores the result.
And how long does that take?
Depends on the clock speed. A 3 GHz CPU runs 3 billion cycles per second.
Okay, but what part does the math?
That's the algorithm logic unit. And the control unit tells it what to do.
What if it needs to remember something quickly?
Then it uses internal cache, L1, L2, and L3. These are ultra-fast memory levels inside the CPU.
My CPU says 8 cores. What does that mean?
Each core can process instructions independently. More cores equals more parallel tasks.
And how do all these parts talk to each other?
Through buses. For example, the data bus moves info between the CPU, RAM, GPU, and I/O.
So every time I open Chrome, millions of instructions run through all that?
Exactly, and that's just the basics.